So this one here, these are Halley's Comet. By the way, Halley's Comet is a good plant too.
Halley's Comet. Okay.
Halley's Comet could take cold. It could take heat wave also. So,
And it's an early producer. At least yours is.
Yes,
You already have a successful fruit
next
there.
month, I know that flower. They are prolific producer.
And Halley's Comet, people say online it's similar to like Dark Star and Purple Haze. Would you agree to that, or do you think
It's closer to the color inside, closer to Purple Haze. The Dark Star inside is more dark purple. Inside.
Okay.
Yeah, so I will say they're similar to Purple Haze and Halley's Comet.
What about the flavor wise? Do you think they're similar too, or do you notice a difference?
A little bit different. The break score, I believe, is only 16, 17 for the Halley's Comet.
Okay.
And Purple Haze, it's more maybe
Get
18.
higher.
Yes, 17, 18.
And man, look at these huge flowers that had opened up.
Yeah,
Is this red Leonardo? Is this one?
This
This is massive.
Yeah, that's red Leonardo.
So tell us a little bit about red Leonardo, because
Other than
this
its
one,
massive
it
flower.
looks similar to Orahona, but you and I totally are on the same page that it's not. This is different.
It's definitely different plant.
It's a vigorous grower. I notice it will twist more than Orahona. What do you think about the fruit?
The fruit looks terrific. There's like a marking on the pineapple fruit. The pineapple. There's a marking on that, and it just like a scar, but it's nice geometry. So that's the way you differentiate this from Orahona.
So the fruit looks different, and then it's more vigorous. So you can see that it's definitely a rapid grower. You said that this is not that old of a plant, right?
It flowers more.
There's that big bee.
I notice it's like it gives me 4 cycles of fruits or flowers.
So you get an extra cycle.
Yes.
And so your Orahona plants don't have any flower buds, but this,
Not yet.
look at the size of
It's
this.
so big. It's probably the biggest flower I've
And I
seen.
love
for
the shade of
dragon fruit.
red here. I mean, that must be at least over 14 inches, at least, I would say.
I would say.
Maybe 18 inches,
Yeah.
huge.
It's like,
It is.
it's big.
And I'm smelling the scent probably of these flowers,
like
but this one
perfume.
smells a great scent as well.
It smells like good perfume when you come here early in the morning.
Yeah.
7 o'clock. I'm really impressed to this plant. And
So this red Leonardo, you got it from a backyard grower, did you say?
I got this from a backyard grower, and she said that one parent is Lisa, and she named it Lisa, but it's completely different.
Yeah. Lisa wouldn't have any flower buds this time of year.
Not
right?
yet. It will be next month.
And this one you'll be eating fruit by the time Lisa starts to flower.
Yeah. And if you notice, it attaches by itself. See this one here? I did not tie it up. It just shoots aerial roots, and they just keep growing. So I have to trim them a little bit so that the vine will be longer and larger.